have almost done this calendar to the full, but today, dig it in straight away. Number 19. Oh, is this another bracelet? If this is another bracelet from the Cleveland Indians, it is a bracelet. Oh, I kid you not. That is another Cleveland Indians bracelet in my LA Dodgers Advent calendar. And just in case you don't believe me or you think I've done this for a joke, I've got my other items here. That is 2. I've got 1 for each wrist. So I'll see you tomorrow for the 20th of December when we're really going to get down to the final 5 days. Cheers for watching. And if you're a Cleveland Indians fan, let me know. Because, well, I've got 1 for each wrist, I guess. See you tomorrow.